All right, transformations. First one we're going to talk about today is reflections. Well, tell whether each transformation appears to be a reflection. No and yes. Okay, remember it's got to be the same when you reflect it across. A reflection is a transformation across a line called the line of the reflection, so that the line of reflection is the perpendicular bisector of the image. So if we're reflecting that point, those two are the same, it's perpendicular. Okay? So, in the coordinate plane, we've got our rules. So, x-axis is going to be x opposite y. Y-axis is going to be opposite xy. I'm just going to write these up here so I can remember them. And y-x is going to be across the line y equals x. Okay? So you'll have all these worksheets when you're doing these, and you'll be able to just kind of plot the points and go from there. So, if I want to reflect this across the x-axis, x prime would be, so I go to x-axis, which is x opposite y. So it becomes 2, 2. Y prime becomes -4. Opposite y would be 3. Z prime becomes 3, -2. That's it. Then you could plot the points, and that's what it would look like if you did that. Okay? Let's try that again. We're going to flip this one across the y equals x line. Well, that's where you take the points, if you look at your rules, and you yx, you flip them. So r prime becomes 2, -2. S prime becomes 0, 5. And t prime becomes -1, 3. If you want to see what that looks like on the graph, when you graph it, you can see that it's been reflected across this line right here. Okay? And then we could reflect it across the x-axis. If you wanted to, you could just do it in the coordinate plane after you graph it. And you can see that this would just be boom to boom, 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 and then you could draw your rectangle. Okay? Just make sure you know how to use the rules. All right, got a little worksheet action for you today. That's it.